You'll be spending a lot of money to create a simple animation video, or are you curious to make your own animation videos, but you found it too complicated and time consuming to create one? Well, what if I told you that you can easily convert a simple sentence or even a paragraph into an eye-catching animation video? Yes, you had it right. So today, I'm going to show you how you can create an animation video from scratch. And the best part is you can do it for free. So after watching this video, you will be able to create an animation video like this.
Welcome to our video on how to learn digital marketing in just 5 minutes. This video is specifically designed for website owners who are struggling to get traffic and sales. In this comprehensive guide, we will cover the most important aspects of digital marketing, including market research, SEO optimization, and social media marketing. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of the key strategies and techniques that can help you grow your online presence and boost your business. Let's dive in.
So make sure you watch to the end of this video. So let's get started. To make an animation video, we are going to do 2 steps. First step is to generate the script. I know a fantastic tool called Gravity Write, which will help us do just that. Gravity Write lets you create high quality, unique websites, blogs, video scripts, and more. Okay, so to create a script from Gravity Write, take you to this site. Now, once you're on this site, just click on the Start Writing for Free. Then here, enter our details. So I'll just click on Sign in with Google. Which means we have finally created an account on Gravity Write. So the next step, if you are planning to create an animation video for your YouTube channel, just click this YT script generator, and here you can generate your script. For that, we need to enter our video title. After writing your title, just type a few lines about what your audience is looking for.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So once you are done, click on Create Content. As you can see, our script has been successfully generated. Now we can go to the next step, which is to convert this complete script into an animation video. So to do that, we are going to use another tool called Steve.ai. First, we need to create an account on this. Now select Sign up for free. Now you can simply sign up with your Google account. After signing with your Google account, here you can see we have different options. As you can see, we can convert our script into an animation video. So let's choose this option. And it will take you to this page. Now, this is where we are going to paste our script which we generated from Gravity Write. So to do that, let's go over to Gravity Write and select this intro part. Now, as you can see, the whole script has been converted into different scenes. Once I've pasted the script, here you need to enter the type of video. So I'll just enter the type of video. Once I've entered that, click next. Here you need to select design for your video. So if you place the mouse pointer above any other design to show you the preview, and you can choose any design. So I'm just going to choose this one. Now if you click play, you can see it has converted an entire script into an animation video. Let's say you want to change character. To do that, just click on the character, then select change character. As you can see, we have got different character we can choose from. So I'll just click this. What if you want to change the action of the character? Okay, you can also do that by selecting the character, then select create change action. You can see we have different action here. You can choose. To choose the one that will be applied to video, and to apply to the scene. Also, you can move the position of the character like this and keep it wherever you want. Now if you play the video, you can see the changes have been applied. Now we have learned how to change the layout and the character. Next, let's see how you can add a voiceover to animation. To do just that, click on this icon here, voiceover, and you'll see two different options. You can either add an AI voice or you can add your own voice. So I'm just going to add an AI voice here. Then click on generate voice. Now once you're happy with this, you can review a video and see how it looks with the new AI voice. Now let's see how we can add music to our video. So to do that, just click on this music, then click here, and you get a lot of different music to add to your video. If you place any mouse on the music, you can hear the preview. If you like the music, you can add this by clicking it and it will be added into your video. Now let's play the video and see whether it has been added to our video. You can see that the music has been added. Okay, now you have entered the first scene. You can also edit other scenes. Now once you are happy with your video, after editing the scenes, let's download it. So to do that, just click on publish, and to render your video, just click on download. As you can see, we have successfully generated your animation video. In the same way, you can generate scripts for your videos from Gravity Write and then convert the same script into an animation video. Okay, using this free version of Script.ai, you can create and download up to 3 videos per month. So if you want to download up to more than 3 videos, you can click here then upgrade to that plan. It does not give you limit for the download. So now you can convert our script using an animation video using this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.